Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So there are so many people that have had babies, and there's something it is called, so the name in Nigeria, I knew the name as was they call it Ela. Ela is a Yoruba name, so they call it Ela. It's really eats the skin of a newborn, especially if is the baby is light skinned. So it mostly affects light skinned babies, but here in the United Kingdom it's called skin eczema on babies. So when I had my first baby, he didn't have that, and my second suffered it, but I tried so many things that didn't really work for it. So when I had this my third baby, light skin, and he started having it, and I spoke to the GP about it, and something was prescribed for me to use on him, but it was not getting better, rather it was getting worse. And for all that knows about this skin eczema on babies, you know that it's really uncomfortable. You see the baby cry. I said, let me try maybe a home remedy and see if it will actually work, because it was not anything I used that was prescribed didn't work. It was getting worse. So guys, guess what? Just keep watching, okay? And I will show you how I use it, because just using it anyhow will not work. So you need to wait till the end of the video to see how to use it on your baby, because I've used it on my son, and it cleared up. It's really cleared up. His skin is very smooth now. I will show you what I used and what worked for me. Guys, this is what really did the magic for me. So this is pseudo cream. I know most of you know what is called pseudo cream. Yeah, that's it. So this is pseudo cream, and you can use any baby powder of your choice, but this is the baby powder that I used that worked for me. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you how to use this. Okay, so what I usually do that worked for me, so you can try it. I'm not medically trained, but this is what I used and it worked, and ever since I started using it, my son sleeps all through the night. And if you also want to know what I use to bathe him, and after the skin cleared up, what I used, what I'm using on his skin now, just comment below and I'm going to make another video on that. Okay, so this is what I do. You could see this is the second cup of the pseudo cream I'm using. Look at it. Yeah, see, it's almost finishing. Okay, so that's a proof that this is what I'm using, and this is the second baby powder I bought that I'm using. So you take a bit of it on your finger, and I do this. I rub, so you massage it properly, make sure it goes round, like it stays on the skin. So this is how I do it. I don't just rub and stop, so I massage, and that's the way of soothing the baby. Okay, so I massage on the skin like this, and this makes it stays on the body, on the skin, right? So after I do this for like about 5 to 10 seconds, right? After I do this, so I now then take this, the baby powder, you're watching, right? Then tap 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 tap. So this way, no matter if the baby puts on his clothes, no matter how it is, the pseudo cream will stay. it won't clean off, because most times when we use pseudo cream and we put on clothes on the baby, it just sticks on the clothes, it won't work on the skin. So this way, look, it stays. So this actually did the magic for me. And do this shows I added on in the video, how his skin was and how it is now. In fact, I took the I took another picture this morning just for the benefit of this video, to prove that this really worked. So like I told you before, I'm not medically trained, but this is the home remedy that worked for me, and you can try this and come back and give your comment. And for others that are doubting it, to is like a proof that it worked. And I've used it for my second child because he had it, and I used it for my third baby. He also had it, and this works for him. If your child always suffers from nappy rash, comment below. Look, I've been rubbing on my skin like over almost for 2 minutes now. It's still there, it won't go, and this is why it sticks to the skin and it will clear it off. So don't forget to comment and share this video and like. There are so many mommies out there that is looking for something like this. Don't forget to share it, and don't also forget to like and comment, okay? And also lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button. See you in my next video. Just make sure you let me know what video you would like to see next, okay? Bye guys, and I can't wait to hear your reviews on this. Bye, see you guys.